Hi viewers, I'm Sajidz and today I'm going to show you another Instagram hacking tool, that is InstaPass.zone. So here most of the YouTube channels and videos prefer these, that by these you can hack Instagram password easily and clearly. So without making any late, we will check it whether it works or not, or here if it works, that time I will give you the 100% way, or if it doesn't work, that time I will roast it. So without making it late, let's start this video. Before starting that, I have a request: if you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. Okay guys, first of all we need to search here something like InstaPass.zone. InstaPass.zone, this is the thing, and here guys, Instagram password hacker online tool. So here guys, this is the thing that I need to show you. So here, latest hacked Instagram account, that means they hacked those account 4 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago, 12 minutes ago. So let's jump into that whether it works or not. So as my previous videos like this, here I will hack my own Instagram account. So let's do it from here. So first of all, here I need to give the Instagram username of mine. So here the Instagram of user, here the Instagram username is here sajidz. So here the server will be from Asian server. So as I'm from Asia, so it's from the Asian server. Now click on this search, and it's searching from the Instagram my account, and it will take a bit time. So here guys, the system is ready, database is updated, it's already take my Instagram profile picture, username, followers name, and the followers how much, it's real. Now click on this hack account to let's hack my account whether it works or not. So here guys, it will be a session, and here guys, it's almost like a rainbow table attack. And here they show that they are attacking my Instagram ID, and here guys, they will create a connection and after establishing this connection, they will breach my database, and from there they will take everything. So they say that they already take all those things, the username, it's okay, but I have some doubt with this password, as my password is not like that. So I have a bit doubt with this. So click on this get started from here, and here guys, we're there. From here we can see it here, the username and the password. Show the password from here. So to prevent bot from using our server, we need to verify that you are a human. Complete 2 offers to get the full password. You need to install and run apps for 30 seconds at least. Click below to verify. First of all, I think that it's almost a fake scam, because here the password is here the 79, but I assure you that here my password is not start with 79, it's with alphabetic number. So here guys, I think it's a fake. Now click on this verify. Let's see it whether it works or not. Now after clicking here, they give me a pop-up. Now click on this open. Let's check it where it take us. Oh guys, here they take us in this quiz diva, where I have to play a quiz, and this type of quiz I have played a lot, but in the end it doesn't work. And here today also I have played this quiz, but it doesn't work for me in this case. So here guys, now I want to skip this account. And now guys, whenever you go on this and you play a quiz, that time it will be moving you one page to another page, one page to another page, and it works not, and it doesn't work for you. They just get some view on their pages, and they also get another one activity from you, that you play a quiz, and by this they increase their quiz playing members numbers, and one by one they want to increase those, and they fulfill their target by you, but you can't fulfill your target by them. And here guys, they will get some views from you, they will get some users from you, but you don't get those things from here. So here guys, according to me, it doesn't work. Instagram hacking tool, this is the InstaPass, it doesn't work for me right now, and I 100% give you the guarantee that it also doesn't work for you guys too. So here guys, if you don't believe me, that time you can also use it. And guys, there have another thing is that here it's a fake site. The main thing is that here they show the password from here, and here guys it doesn't work from me because here the password is start from 79, but trust me guys, my Instagram password doesn't start with 79. It's alphabetic and a numeric. So here guys, this is the thing that I want to share with you, that this InstaPass.zone, it's a fake site. So now guys, it's your turn. Guys, if you trust me with my this opinion, that time I request you, please don't use this type of sites, and leave a like to my this video and share this video with your friends, so that your friend also know about this and get the information from you. And guys, comment below on this video. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.